In this video, we will test our trained model using the test set. We will clear the workspace, import the model again, and then use it to make predictions on our test data. Finally, we will evaluate the model's accuracy and visualize the results using a confusion matrix. Let's first clear our workspace and the command window to ensure there are no residual variables that could interfere with our testing process. Next, we will create an array to store the predicted values for each test sample. We will use a for loop to make predictions on each test instance using our trained model. To make predictions, we need to import our trained model again, as clearing the workspace removed it from memory. Let's run the code now to see the prediction process. Now that we have the predicted labels, let's calculate the model's accuracy and visualize the results using a confusion matrix. Let's clear the workspace again and re-import the model to ensure accuracy. This also helps in verifying that no residual variables are impacting the results. We will run the code again to validate the results. This is a good practice to ensure consistency and accuracy of our model's performance. That's it for this video. We successfully tested our trained model on the test set, calculated its accuracy, and visualized the results using a confusion matrix.